So how to earn money email marketing strategies and tips for successful campaign with Malik's James flexible email marketing template and intuitive designer. It's easy to send email that really click. So, what is email marketing and where did it begin? The first email sent by Ray uh, Thompson in 197 on your source marketing of the beginners to the modern communication area. The message was nothing special, a serial of numbers and letters that locate more like a password than a message. But signification finance was profound. The email was sent from on a computer to another, traveling through a network of machine not unlike in the internet we know today. Thompson is introduct the sample in email address to the world. So great through a marketing manager at digital implement could send the first communication email years later where the message results. Email marketing grown. There are only few hundred people on the list, but that we enough the throw to climb the mental. Today we are uh, noted with email marketing campaign, and yes, some of it is still free summary, but there is denying the impact. So thank you everyone.